Even if say na man wey dey carry woman, you get some men wey be say dem dey carry women, but if dem reach where their people even dey sef, their mate dey, you say, you see that my wife, I don't fit leave am o. If I leave that woman, I don finish. That woman is full with ideas. That woman, na e dey wetin join for my life wey take good like this. Even in friends sef, na im go dey tell say, this way you dey do, wey you dey carry me, this your wife, if na me get this kind of woman, I no go do this nonsense o. Those things na talk. But you get the one wey be say if you come out, the time say, hey, you can't see head come out today for that woman. Now why you dey try with that woman now? Which one you be? Hello everyone, how una dey? Hope everybody dey fine. I thank all of una wey don subscribe for our channel. The ones wey never subscribe, I say abeg wait una dey wait more na subscribe. Na me, una sister, una friend, una girl, baby Beta Concept. Today topic na, has your husband find a good thing marrying you? Because the Bible say, he that findeth a wife findeth a good thing. Since when your husband marry you, he don't find good thing? So this question now for you, those who don't marry. As a woman, has your husband found a good thing marrying you? Because you get some people will be say, they don't know say, as their husband married them, it's supposed to be good thing. Some women make their husband think say marriage na curse. Some make their husband regret ever marrying. You be part of those people. Your attitude na blessing to your husband. Wetin you dey contribute to the marriage? Na just contribute kerewa? Or even if you no if you work, you dey contribute with ideas. You be that kind of woman wey be say your husband fit come meet. Your husband fit get answer for question through you. If he get solution of problem through you. Some women just they don't know wetin dem dey for marriage. Bible say, God talk and say, we be helpmates to our partner. Not be liability we be to our partner. We can contribute to the relationship. But we not just stay, take and say everything na for the man, maybe they do. Your own, I just wake up and you clean house, you wash clothes, you do all those ones. You say you don't contribute for the relationship. You take care of children for the one we don't get. Not be all. Now the man go think how he go pay rent. Now he go think how they go eat everything. The man now he go just the reason that one. You know they bring idea. You know they bring. You know they contribute anything. How okay the idea where your husband bring, how you go take grow, how now take achieve am. Your own na just to dey squander money, they buy latest, they do competition. Some na just nagging. You nag reach tomorrow, you talk reach tomorrow, complain, say maybe your husband they carry side chick or all those things. He not go solve anything. Complain on the work. Action. Action, not say make you go dey beat the side chick or they fight your husband. But make you self still act. Make you, if na clean up, you know they clean up yourself. Clean up. If na you just dey, I don't want to use the word say person they useless. Nobody they useless. Make yourself useful, productive, even for ideas. Just stay now, just watch television or call phone gossip. Think of this kind of way my husband they do. Study the kind of way your husband the kind of work way they do. Go do research. If you be the one way be say okay, you not still go school. Still they help and they make plan. Only see this one or like this money where you bring this month. So we'll find how we take use and do something. Plan, help and plan. You know they bring, you know they save, you know they plan. Your own na to find the latest cloth where you go wear, go party, go church. or they find for who go gossip your husband give you, where you see am today or where you not see am tomorrow. Be productive. Do something to assist the home. Excuse not dey say I no go school now. Adult education dey. Na you no want, na your pride no wan carry you go. If e do you say na shame, say this thing, I need to, say na wetin dey make you shame, you go for am. Make you achieve that education. Make you get something doing. Dey for house, dey productive. Put things dey sell, fairly use online. Things like that. Not just stay house, dey just stay like that. The man go dey see other women wey just dey hardworking, wey their husband dey talk say, my wife na him do like this, my wife na him bring this idea o. See, my wife na him just do. No, you still dey. See that finding a wife, finding a good thing. Since when your husband marry you, wetin don add for na family apart from children, for the ones we get. Wetin don add. You meet the man reach, you come dey fall. I know say nobody say things can happen. Yes. But how encouraging are you? Words of mouth dey go far. Which encouragement you dey give am, let am know say hope dey, sun go rise again. Some women want the man don the man fall or something just happen. Hey! The man sef, na the woman na him go first make am know say in life don end. Are you encouraging to your husband? You dey encourage am? Or you down more people dey weigh am down? Learn to manage. Learn to talk. Learn to act. You know say sometimes we dey make mistake. Yes. But make our mistake not pass the right way of living. Make our mistake not pass the right way of living. Make our good pass our bad. At least because the man no fit just, we no fit conclude say we no go make mistake. Mistakes are bound to make. Na correction. Na the ability to correct yourself. Na it matter. You bring peace to the man. You bring peace to the house. When they come men, they carry side chick, they do this one. Sometimes we still dey cause am. When the man look and say, even the one way that side, even they advise and pass. Even they help and they manage. If they look and say side chick, they carry money give. It gets some way be say those side chicks still get sense. Because na still human being now. Na title na they give them. Na human being. Get the ones who still get brain. Maybe say if they enter husband house, there will be good material, but they not see husband. But if they wrong, say na person you own, now you can't dey practice your talent. Still pray God will give you your own. That your talent of advising and encouraging and all, you will shame on your own husband. So now wetin I get mind to say, your husband don't find good thing marrying you. Are you a blessing to your husband? Are you peace to your husband? Are you joy to your husband? Your husband fit come and knock hand for chest, say, hey, this person is my wife. Or you be those women maybe say, then their husband has the fine husband. If you don't understand, some women with their husband has, then they get side waiting we go call am hen, I been a cock. Some women just dey. They no fit stay moment with their husband. Quarrel no dey. Fighting. When the man they come back for house, he might go dey fly, say, hey, quarrel dey. Some just dey maybe say, they no fit stay a whole day with their husband. Fight no come. Why? I know say some men still get their own bad character. But You, woman, sit down still think am. Say, this thing we do boyfriend and girlfriend no. Not be so e be. Wetin come change? Look yourself. Wetin change? When you know say everything still dey intact as e dey, the way wey you dey dress, the way wey you dey talk, the way wey you dey cook, everything still dey as e dey before. Then you look whether you stop work wey you dey do before or wetin dey. If you check that one say everything dey okay, then you go come know say this man, e be like say na so you want am. Maybe the man tire and you no use yourself take do ozoba keep for the person. Then you come know whether you find your way. Because who dey reject no dey reject himself. So just first know say whether you na better thing to your husband. God not say he that findeth a man findeth a good thing. He say he that findeth a wife. He not say he that findeth a husband findeth a good thing. He say he that findeth a wife findeth a good thing. So now you be the good thing. Now you go act the good thing. Now you go bring the good thing. You go hear where some men go say, this my wife na bad luck. It's not supposed to be like that. Think, wetin make am. Ask am, wetin make you feel say I be bad luck to you. Because not be so it's supposed to be. I supposed to be good luck to you. I supposed to be good thing to you. And you try find out what your husband they like. Some women, their husband they like woman with they smart. Themselves, now that time they will come just jabrata put for inside house. Now that time they will just scatter body keep for inside house. Look dirty. And you know see your husband they like sharp babes. They like when that time one they do boyfriend and girlfriend. Now your cleanliness, your dressing, your look, now make the man like you. You go still do one. And now for your own good. Not look rejected. You say, I don't marry who I the bad for. I dey hear some women they talk, I don't marry who I the bad for. Who you the bad for? You are doing it for yourself, not for the man. For your own head. You see this way that they say cheat. Let's not cheat, not do one for your party now. For your own head. To avoid contacting disease, now make you. For your own respect, now make you not cheat. Not be say, nah, to make your partner happy. You cheat for yourself. They carry disease. You don't carry disease, who carry? Now you carry the disease. Now you face disgrace. Maybe they can't catch you with the man. Or the woman, a man catch you with her. They'll come they shout, hey, snatch, all those kind of things. Who them disgrace? Now you. So, not cheating. Some go say, I not cheat because of my partner. No. For your own good. Try find out as a woman whether you na good thing for your marriage. Whether you na good thing for your partner. Because if you be say, you know they fulfill the thing we God talk. With your character. With your lifestyle. Let your husband be proud of you. Even if say na man where they carry woman. You get some men maybe say then they carry women, but if they reach where their people, even they self, their mate, you say, you see that my wife, I don't feel leave her more. If I leave that woman, I don't finish. That woman is full with ideas. That woman, if they waiting join for my life, wait a good like this. Even in friends self, now you go to say, this is way you they do, where they carry me. This your wife, if now me get this kind of woman, I don't go do this nonsense. Those things at all. But you get the one maybe say if you come out. That time say, hey, you can't see head come out today for that woman. Now why they try with that woman now? Which one you be? Which one? The man go even they happy say, you see, he say I come out that woman. Hey, to go back to that woman self, I tire, I don't know how to end up with that woman. Now that won't be your story. As a woman, remove side chick matter first. Think yourself. If this marriage I come out, somebody else go pick me. Look yourself for mirror. your look feel nice. Oh, look how productive you dey, how hardworking you dey. Wetin dey for your score? You get brain, you dey reason, you get word for mouth, you get advice. Look yourself for mirror. If this marriage end today, another person go dey happy to pick me. We should not pray make our marriage end. Or your partner go regret ever losing you. Think am. No just dey side chick, do side chick, not dey you, just dey there, dey. Think your life as a woman. Discover yourself. If husband no bring come, you no go chop. E get people wey no dey work. Maybe say they no get work, but their husband know say if dem make one move today, that work they will get am, and they will fit live without am. They will fit make their life. They no go dey stranded because ideas full their head. No be to go answer sa for office. You get wetin you go fit create with your hand. You fit cook dey sell, you fit make hair, you fit make up people, you fit sew cloth, you fit teach. Wetin you get as a person, wetin you get as a person. Think am. So this video na for you. Make you sit down think. My husband marry me, has he found a good thing? Has my husband find a good thing marry me? Ask yourself that question. And when you get answer, make you write for the comment section your own answer and your own opinion. So stay blessed. God bless you. Subscribe, share, and like this video. I see you in my next video. God bless you.